Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming Excel supports AI features, enable the add-in or connect to Copilot type service. Next, load a clean sample, headers, consistent data types, and no merged cells so models parse columns reliably. Then you write a concise objective, summarize sales by region, or generate forecasting formulas because the AI needs a task. Once done, create a small test sheet and a copy of your data. This prevents mistakes and gives you a sandbox to iterate quickly. You now write a targeted prompt inside the AI pane, mention specific column names, an example row, and the exact output format like new column or formula. If you need formulas, ask for Excel syntax. If you need transformations, request steps or Power Query M code. Once the AI returns results, test on several rows and inspect edge cases. If values look off, refine the prompt with constraints or examples. Iterate until outputs match expectations, then scale to full sheet with. You apply the validated outputs to the entire workbook and then lock critical formulas or convert them to values to prevent accidental changes. Make sure to document the prompt text, version of the add-in, and any preprocessing steps so you can reproduce or audit the work later. If something breaks, check common issues first. Mismatched data types, hidden blanks, regional date or decimal settings, and trimmed whitespace. If problems persist, refine the prompt and rerun only affected ranges to save time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.